because on one plane, on one level, Krishna's delivery in his discourse and, you can say, pravachan, his instructions to them were completely correct. On the material level, on the ordinary social level of this ashram dharma, or varna dharma. Then the gopis took it one step higher. They said, but wait a minute, there's atma dharma, there's praying dharma, there's sanatan dharma. And you are the supreme husband, and you are the supreme atma, and you are the bandhu, and you are the everything. And Krishna was silent. And we know that when someone says something to someone and they don't reply, silence means agreement. So Krishna was actually tacitly agreeing with the gopis when they said, you are the Parapati, you are the Paramatma. Yeah, so stop being so stubborn. We know this, we realize this, we know all the tattvas. How do you think we got here if we didn't know the tattvas? If you don't know the tattvas and haven't realized it and attained perfection in everything, how can you be in front of Krishna and you're Siddha Swarup as a Dandakaranya gopi, now gopi? Now you're not a Dandakaranya sage, you're a Vrindaranya gopi. Before, Aranya means forest, you're in the Dandakaranya. Now you're in the Vrindaranya. So maybe they're speaking, because it's not often not said. So why is Krishna doing this? Why is he discouraging them? Why is he seems to be almost cruel and teasing them and trying to break all their hopes and shatter all their dreams and frustrate all their desires? Why? This is the secret. Sanatana Goswami reveals in his amazing tika. Tabi sametabir. He says it's first line of verse 43. Sametabir. They were all joined together. Sama. All together. So this word also Sanatana Goswami reveals, he says that this word tabi sametabir cheshtita, although it says the translation, which is also correct, they were all together, coming together, collecting together. It also means one who is supremely beautiful, a beauty which arises from Mahabhav, which is the main element of the Ras Lila. Therefore, this word, Sametabir, in 29:43, indicates that Krishna was stalling for time. Krishna was passing his time and waiting and testing his sadhana siddhas and other gopis that had gathered before him, because he was waiting for Radharani. This is the secret. Shrimati Radharani ki jai.